Looking for a dependable power supply that won't let your custom PC down? This power source delivers solid performance with a quiet 120mm low noise fan, ensuring your system stays cool without the distracting hum. If you faced power supply issues before, this might be exactly what your build needs. I replaced a custom-built computer's failing power supply with this model, and the difference was clear. Installation was straightforward when I tackled each component one step at a time. The fan runs so quietly, I often have to double-check if it's even on. It's a relief to have a power supply that just works, no surprises, no noise, just steady power. What stands out is its compatibility and thoughtful design. With a single plus 12 volts output and serial auto 150 readiness, it supports modern hardware without hassle. The wiring harness is slightly longer than typical, giving you more flexibility to route cables neatly inside your case. I ran it with an ASUS motherboard, aftermarket graphics card, extra cooling fans, and 4 internal hard drives, all running smoothly without any hiccups. If you're comfortable handling computer hardware, this power supply is a practical, no-fuss upgrade. It's a direct replacement with a higher wattage rating than many stock options, so you get more power headroom without needing any modifications. It solved my computer's power issues and got me back to work quickly. If that's you, someone who values quiet operation, reliable performance, and easy installation, this power supply is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your system's heart and keep everything running smoothly.